Hello again, YouTube. This is the ammo cache that I buried 2 years, some months ago. Before I put it in the ground, I painted it with Rust-oleum, the plastic version. And as you can see, some of it did peel off. And it's showing signs of rust in certain places. I guess more than one coat is needed. But overall, looks pretty good so far. Now we're getting ready to see what it looks like on the inside. You got this? That has been underground since April of 2012. I'm muddy. Everything looks dry. I did put a silica pack in there. I got this from my place of employment. They get it in sandblasting material. You can also get it from piano stores or buy it at gun shows. But as you can see, if anything would be rusted, it'd be this right here. SKS stripper clip, made out of steel cased ammo. 2 years and some months underground. I think that was a success for that short amount of time. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. More videos are coming. I know it's been a while. Former Echo Trooper, out.